Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we'll be learning how to add a new material to an object. We will demonstrate this by adding a new material. We will delete this, go to create and select one cylinder. Now let us make the cylinder smooth. We'll go to tools and select the smooth option. You should be wondering why I made the cylinder smoother. We selected the smooth option from the tool shelf to better display the modifications that we'll be making to this object. Some of the effects are very subtle, so a nice smooth surface is best for demonstration. Remember that color is light that we see reflected from a surface, so different surfaces will reflect different colors. Like this smooth surface, now it's reflecting this color, and when I make it flatter, it would look like this. You see the change in its shade? Smooth will look like this and flat will look like this. So now without wasting any time, let us jump how to add color. In the properties window, go to this material icon and you have to click on this new. But before that, I would like to mention that by default, when Blender assigns the properties for the gray color, the material properties are not displayed. And after clicking on new, you can modify the properties to achieve the look you want. Now click on new, and now you can click on this diffuse tab button. Here you can see the RGB values are already assigned 0.800, and these are the default values assigned by Blender. RGB values 0.800 will give us this gray color. If you see, the pointer here is in the middle. This is the color selected at present, and now this slider, it controls the intensity of darkness of a color. If you want a darker color, you can move it downwards and you can get darker shade of this color. Now you can add different colors to this object by moving this pointer from here, and if you know any RGB values, you can enter them here and get the desired color. Now even we have other options of colors like HSV and HEX. You can go through them if you know how to make use of them. And this is how we add colors to an object. Now suppose I were to create a new object. We'll go and create one cube. We'll go again to new. And now suppose you were to add the same color of this to this object. How do you do this? I think you should be wondering that, and see its RGB values. Then again click on this object and enter those RGB values here to attain the same color. But this can be done more simply. All you have to do is to go to this cat slot, and here you will find all the materials that you have recently created. We created material 001, so click on this and here we get the same color. Now suppose you want to add more materials. All you can do is click on this plus button. When you click on this, a new material automatically gets added. Click on it again to create more materials. You can change its color. Now again I'll click on this button and change its color to blue. Now have a look at the material cache. You can see the number of materials that we created. This is how we assign materials to objects.